Here's a fantastic recipe for making classic homemade burgers that are juicy, flavorful, and delicious. Ingredients. For the burger patties. 1.5 pounds ground beef, preferably 80/20 blend for a good fat content. 2. 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. 3. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 4. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 5. Salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. For assembling the burgers. 1. Hamburger buns. 2. Lettuce leaves. 3. Sliced tomatoes. 4. Sliced onions. 5. Pickle slices. 6. Cheese slices, optional. 7. Ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, or any preferred condiments. Instructions. Preheat your grill or stovetop grill pan to medium-high heat. In a mixing bowl, combine the ground beef with Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper. Gently mix the ingredients together without overworking the meat to keep the patties tender. Divide the seasoned ground beef into equal portions and shape them into burger patties slightly larger than the size of your burger buns. Create an indentation in the center of each patty to prevent it from bulging during cooking. Once the grill or grill pan is hot, place the burger patties on the grill. Cook the patties for about 4-5 minutes on each side, flipping only once, for medium rare to medium doneness. Adjust the cooking time based on your preferred level of doneness. If adding cheese, place a slice of cheese on top of each patty a minute or so before removing them from the grill, allowing it to melt slightly. While the burgers are cooking, lightly toast the hamburger buns on the grill for a minute or until they're golden brown. Assemble the burgers. Place a lettuce leaf on the bottom half of each bun, followed by a cooked burger patty. Add tomato slices, onion slices, pickle slices, and any preferred condiments on top of the patty. Complete the burgers by placing the top half of the toasted buns over the toppings. Serve the homemade burgers immediately while they're hot and enjoy. Feel free to customize the burgers with additional toppings like crispy bacon, sautéed mushrooms, avocado slices, or any other ingredients you prefer. These homemade burgers will surely satisfy your craving for a classic American favorite.